It all started as a joke between friends. Dogecoin was created as a lighthearted experiment in the world of cryptocurrency. Two software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, launched Dogecoin to poke fun at the growing number of serious cryptocurrency projects. Against all odds, Dogecoin rose to levels never thought possible for a coin that proudly displays a picture of a dog. Dogecoin is a fork of other cryptocurrencies. A fork is when a new cryptocurrency is created by modifying the code of an existing one. The term fork comes from the visual illustration of this split, simulating a fork in the road. The advantage of forking is that you don't have to start from scratch with brand new code. Some forks even go so far as to simply copy, paste, and change the name. In the case of Dogecoin, members from the Bitcoin community decided to split, or fork, from Bitcoin to form Litecoin. In turn, members from Litecoin forked to form LuckyCoin. And finally, members from LuckyCoin forked to create Dogecoin. Dogecoin is much like Bitcoin when paying for goods and services. Due to its low cost and high speed, Dogecoin has even become a favored medium for tipping online content creators. One key difference between Dogecoin and Bitcoin is Dogecoin's unlimited supply. This abundant supply helps maintain a relatively low price, making Dogecoin accessible to a wider audience. Commonly referred to as a meme coin, Dogecoin became the perfect example of how a community-driven project can thrive on the internet. With Dogecoin's success, many other meme coins began popping up around the globe, giving rise to the meme coin market within the cryptocurrency space. Beyond its humorous origins, Dogecoin's community has made a tangible impact. In 2014, they raised over $30,000 in Dogecoin to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Winter Olympics. Later that year, they raised another $50,000 to build wells in Kenya as part of a project called Doge for Water. These initiatives show that Dogecoin's value isn't just about its market price. Dogecoin has even made its way into the corporate sector. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, a vocal supporter of Dogecoin, played a major role in its rise, eventually accepting Dogecoin for some of Tesla's merchandise. Other companies like Newegg and AMC Theaters have also embraced Dogecoin as a form of payment. Despite starting as a joke, Dogecoin has evolved. It now has a dedicated development team and an active community that continues to expand its ecosystem. Many Dogecoin holders think it's just plain fun, a coin centered around a community.